Let's go ahead and do a review of keyword search, which lets discover the best keywords for YouTube ads with AI. It's alternative to vidIQ and Ahrefs. It would be best fit for YouTubers, content creators, and marketing agencies that want to boost ad ROI on YouTube with smart keyword research. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into keyword search and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $69, and for $69 you can get 750 searches per month, 5 collection, 750 saved items per collection. If you go for license tier 2, you can get 750 searches per month, 5 collection, 750 saved items per collection. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. Keyword search is a suite of AI tools that helps you research high-ranking keywords, videos, channels, and ads on YouTube. Now you can grow your YouTube channel by using AI to discover laser-targeted keywords that rank high in YouTube search results. Keyword search helps you scrape YouTube for relevant keywords, video placements, and more actionable data that empowers your YouTube strategy. Simply enter a keyword you want to target to generate a list of related keywords and get detailed insights for each one. That way, you'll be able to see how popular certain keywords are, spot trends, and discover keyword opportunities that'll get you noticed on the platform. Keyword search uses natural language processing models to find keywords similar to the ones you're targeting, like words and phrases related to certain topics. View similarity scores for each keyword. Select the keywords you want and copy them to your clipboard to easily add to your YouTube tags. Whether you're searching for keywords or doing competitor research, you can easily create, export, and add to collections from any screen. By saving your favorite results in custom collections, you'll be able to organize data into targeted groups and conduct research in bulk. With keyword search, you'll also get access to competitor insights that optimize your own YouTube ad strategy. Use the platform's extensive library of YouTube ads to track keyword and ad spend histories for other advertisers in your vertical. With a simple search, you can view all the highest-ranking YouTube ads for specific keywords or industries you're targeting. You'll also be able to see the full list of keywords being targeted by competitors and add them to your collections in just a few clicks. Keyword search makes it a cinch to find the best video placements and keep tabs on competitor channels, so you don't have to lose hours to tedious research. For any given keyword, you can discover video placements for YouTube ads that boost your ROI. Infinitely scroll through a constant stream of high-ranking videos to target. Then copy and paste any link into your next ad placement campaign. And with the Zapier integration, you'll be able to connect keyword search to all your favorite apps and streamline your research workflows. When you're not getting enough views on YouTube, it can feel like you're yelling, like and subscribe, into the void. Keyword search takes care of the keyword research process so you can optimize your YouTube strategy, whether you're growing your channel or placing ads. Stand out on YouTube. Get lifetime access to keyword search today.